Hey guys, I want to show you how to remove a steering angle sensor, Nissan Frontier and Pathfinder 05 through 12. You got to remove the horn first. And if you look up here, there's this little hole right there, and then there's this little bar. You got to press up on it with a flathead screwdriver. So I'm going to flip the camera around, hopefully you can see it. Push it right there, give it a good push, comes out. Okay guys, so you flipped your horn around and you see the airbag connectors right here, and all you do, there's also a horn ground, and you just pinch him and release him. He's on the other side there, but you take a flathead screwdriver, insert it right here, twist, and be real careful on these guys right here. Get it in there and then twist and pop it up like that, and then you can pull those out real delicately, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so we got the horn off. Next, this is a 19mm. You'll get, I use a deep in here. You can use an extension if you don't have a flex right here. Sometimes it's tight, and so you gotta just use some force and break it loose. Okay, so I removed that nut. Next thing is can get kind of tricky, so I'm going to flip the camera over and set it down, and maybe we'll try and get some good shots of this. We'll just flex this guy back and forth until it comes out. And you just put all of your might into it, and it comes out. Don't worry, there's some marks that show you where to put it back. And so you got to... Okay, so all I did was disconnect this. All you do is just pinch this little guy once he's in there. You can pull him out, and then as you pull the steering wheel out, just feed these guys through there. And again, be real careful, you don't want to break these right here. So we're going to pull the steering wheel out and see what's behind there. Another word of caution, when you're pulling out, make sure that this guy back here, which is the steering angle sensor assembly, doesn't move too much, because you want to keep it kind of where it is right now. Okay guys, I went ahead and took these 3 screws under here, 2 and then 3 back here, and then this top part just comes loose, and then this bottom part you just kind of have to fiddle with. Actually no, you can probably just set him there. Just keep him right there, kind of out of the way, and then adjust the lever so it's in either the full up position or full down position. That way you can get to the whole contraption right here. Okay guys, and you'll need to remove a screw right there, and the screw is right there. So take him off, and this thing comes right out, and then your lower shield protector will come out, and there's some connectors back here that you have to take out. You can use a little pocket screwdriver and get on him, just press it and then back him out, and we'll do that and come back. And you'll need to loosen that screw and that screw to remove it. Okay guys, so you've disconnected all your connectors here and a few that were underneath here. Now all you need to do is look on the top here, press him in, and then this all comes out like that. We'll set this on the bench and take a look at it. Okay guys, this is your old one, this is your new one. New one, no steering angle sensor, because we're doing a spiral cable. Steering angle sensor is mounted to this assembly here. Turn them around, see that this assembly does include this spiral cable or clock spring, whatever you want to call it. So it's built in to this. So you need to make sure, depending on what job you're doing, that you move the steering angle sensor to here. So that's where it's located. Otherwise you'll have an ABS light on, slip light on, things like that. So we're going to move him to him. Okay, so we removed 3 screws right here, there, and there, and then he just simply goes on there. You can't mess it up. Take him out. And put him right in place. Just like that. Put the screws back in and you're ready to go. Okay, so we installed the 3 screws. Hopefully you aligned your little dowel pins and you left him on this little clip bracket so it doesn't turn. So pretty much put it back on reverse order. Alright guys, so we're ready to mount him back on the column. Keep these 2 guys like here because one has to go in then the other, but just keep them kind of locked like that, so we need to remember to put him back in